Guys, I'm Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and today we're going to be talking about single-family homes and mobile homes. I actually received this email today, and it has a couple of properties on here. Guys, due to the fact that I live in Texas, of course, the homes are going to be out of Texas. Okay, so we're going to be comparing single-family homes with mobile homes. Before we get on to that topic, guys, what I want you to know is that I've created an ebook, and the ebook is all about Section 8 in mobile homes, okay? I need you to grab you a copy of that because it tells you exactly where to purchase, and that's my main reason for comparing these single-family homes with these mobile homes, okay? Guys, if you've been watching any of our videos, you will know that if you have a mobile home and a single-family home in the same zip code, in the same area of town, guys, you're going to get the same dollar amount in rent if you get a Section 8 tenant. This is the reason why we prefer to invest in mobile homes versus single-family homes, because it makes no sense to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars when you're going to get the same dollar amount in rent, okay? So let's look at the first property here. This is $330,000. This is a 4-bedroom. This is a 2-bath. The square footage is 2,182 square feet, and it is in Tyler, Texas, okay? So keep this 330 in mind, 4-bedroom. We're not really concerned with the baths because Section 8 is not concerned with the baths. They're only concerned with the bedrooms. Square footage is 2,182, okay? We're going to go over here to MH Village, guys, and I've already found a home. Matter of fact, I found 2 homes, okay? We have 2 homes here in Tyler, Texas. Both of them are 4-bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom, Tyler, Texas. This is a 4-bedroom, Tyler, Texas. Okay. Square footage here is only 1,568. So that's really not comparing apples to apples, is it? It's not. But over here, the square footage is 2,016. So that is comparing apples to apples. But I got a question for you. Do you think Section 8 cares? Do you think Section 8 cares that the square footage is smaller? No, they don't care. All they care about is the number of beds. And here we have the same number of beds in Tyler, Texas as the single-family home, same number of beds in Tyler, Texas as the single-family home. However, the square footage is pretty much right on point where the single-family home was just a little bit more as far as the square footage. But still, guys, this is a 2023. This mobile home is only 3 years old. My ebook shows you exactly where to buy. It shows you exactly where to buy. Doing this comparison, guys, it'll help you a little bit. However, it will not give you a bull's eye as to where to buy. That's where you need to buy that particular ebook. What I am telling you is if you have a single family home like we have here with 4 bedrooms, $330,000 that you spent versus what I would buy, and probably not at this price point, the same 4-bedroom for $89,900. Or this one for $93,500, 4-bedroom. I would not buy this either, guys. Both of these prices are a little ridiculous for the state of Texas, okay? Guys, we are mobile home investors. We're not trying to live in the mobile home, okay? So both of these prices are ridiculous in my opinion, unless these mobile homes are on land. But that's the thing. You have to buy the ebook to learn where to buy. What I'm showing you today is that a single-family home, guys, in this same area of town, Tyler, Texas, guys, you can get the same dollar amount in rent, whether it is a mobile home or a single-family home. So you have to figure out what you're willing to pay. You want to spend $330,000, okay, or you want to spend barely under $100,000. To tell you the truth, I don't want to spend any of that. I teach all my students where to buy and how much to buy it for, okay? And these prices are a little bit on the ridiculous side. But what I am telling you, for you people who don't understand about mobile home investing, not trying to take anybody's course, guys, that you can get a mobile home for the fraction of the cost and get the same dollar amount in rent, okay? Let's look at another property. Let's look at this other property. They wanted $484,900 for this property. It has actually decreased in price by $15,000. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Okay, like I said, guys, Section 8, they don't care about the bathrooms. All they care about the bedrooms. Okay, this is over 2450 square feet. It's in Longview, Texas. Okay, we're gonna head over to MH Village, and we have a couple of properties in Longview, Texas. We have this one here for $164,900. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a 2010. However, the square footage is way off. Okay, it's only 1792 square footage. Okay, the square footage over here was 2450. So we're way off on the square footage. But Section 8 doesn't care about the square footage, not at all. Okay, all they care is about the beds. Okay, so if this mobile home, which it is in the same community, it's a single family home, okay, you're going to get the same dollar amount in rent. Okay, let's go over here. It's even getting sweeter, right, guys, as far as the price. They're only wanting $63,900 for this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2019. The square footage is way off. It's 1568. But Section 8 does not care about the square footage. They care about the bedrooms, okay? This mobile home is pretty much in the same community. It's a single family home, and you're going to get the same dollar amount in rent. And that's what I teach you in the ebook, okay? Now I'm about to get you real excited because one of the properties that was sent to me is actually a mobile home. It's a mobile home on land. It's $171,000. It has been decreased in price by $7,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Remember, Section 8 doesn't care about the baths. They only care about the beds. It's 1550 square feet. It's in Ballard, Texas, 75757. You're going to get excited. Ooh, Kelly, I think I'm going to buy this mobile home because it's a lot cheaper than a single family home. Guys, you haven't done your homework. You haven't done your homework. There's no need for us to go over to MH Village because guess what? We're already looking at a mobile home. We're looking at a mobile home on land. Due to the fact that this mobile home has been fixated to the land, the people who own this home, or that person could be you, are going to start paying the same amount of taxes, or pretty much close to the same amount of taxes, as somebody who lives down the street that's in a single family home. That is one of the drawbacks when you're buying a mobile home that is on land. Sometimes, guys, you're going to be paying the same amount of taxes as somebody who lives down the street that lives in a single family home. That's one of the drawbacks, okay? So the taxes are going to be high. And now you're going to say, ooh, Kelly, I'm going to buy this home and get me a Section 8 tenant. Still, you haven't done all your homework. That's why you need to check out the ebook. That ebook tells you blow by blow whether or not you should buy this particular mobile home or not. And I tell you what, guys, I don't teach my students to buy these types of expensive mobile homes, regardless if the mobile home is inside of a mobile home park or not. My whole thing is, when will you recoup your money if you're buying a property that's worth $171,000? It's going to take a long time. Section 8 or not, it's going to take a long time. Now, some of you who live in more expensive states where this seems like it might be a deal, then go ahead and go for it. But guys, those of us who are in inexpensive states where our single family homes do not cost an arm and a leg, to me, by no means is this a deal, okay? So join me at Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing course if you want to learn how to be a mobile home investor, or if you already have some knowledge on how to be a mobile home investor, go ahead and get that ebook regarding mobile home investing in Section 8.